Alright guys, we are back to unbox the latest offering from Traxxas, the Mini Maxx. You may have heard it by now, but we're going to open it today. We're going to speed test it. We're going to bash it. We're just going to have some fun with it. So let's get to it. Alright, let's get this thing open. I went with the black one. The black was good. The bodies, I think, are only like $30, so it wouldn't be too expensive to change the body out. I got this video and manual. There we go. That's a little Mini Maxx. Put this body, put the front, back. There we go. Okay. Black looks pretty good. Alright, it's the BL2S setup and the BL2S ESC. Heavy duty components, out of the two-wheel drive slash. You got the same size drive shaft, just a little shorter. The running gear, all of that is supposed to be 10 scale tough. So there is a VXL option for this rig. I run it on 3S. There is upgrades available too, such as a center diff, aluminum drive shaft. I would recommend, if you do upgrade to VXL, do the center diff and those upgrades. Been some people mentioning the diffs on these things don't handle the 3S power well. It is a direct drive system, so there is no center diff or slipper clutch in it as it's sets currently. But yeah, that's it. That's the Mini Maxx rule. These small scale trucks for me personally have been coming pretty fun. You easily take them anywhere, and don't take up a lot of room in the car. Travel, go with your family. Wife doesn't get upset because you're trying to throw a X-Max in the car and one of her bags can't make it. So these become a lot of fun. Really enjoy it. So let's compare this to the rest of the Maxx lineup real quick. Alright, so there it is. The 10 scale Max, Mini Maxx, and of course the X-Max, which this thing's a monster. Just probably almost drive up underneath the X-Max, but there you have it. That's your Max lineup. So let's get a battery charge for this, take it out, drive it, bash it, see what it's really all about. Alright guys, get the battery charged up. It does come with a 3500 milliamp 25C 2S battery and USB charger, so everything included. So right here, drive a little bit, do a little speed test, and we'll get to some out to the skate park and see how this thing actually bashes. All right. Woo. A little punchy. That's pretty quick. Fail. Alright. So they claim it does 30 out of the box. Let's put the GPS on it. See if we can back up that claim. Let's stick it up here. There we go. Alright. Start. Alright. Here we go. I'll say it's pretty close to 30. Probably a little faster, maybe. Stop. Read. 29. Ah, come on. All right, let's do it one more time. One more time. Start. All right, come on. Alright, that was your best shot. Alright, stop. Read. There we go. 30 is advertised. I also say 50 plus on VXL, so yeah, we'll have to, maybe we'll do that. I'm not sure. Alright, let's take this to the skate park, see what it does. Alright guys, out here at the skate park, Mini Maxx, let's have some fun. Right off the bat, let's do it again. That's better. I don't know how much air control you're gonna get with these sledgehammer tires on here, but oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Yeah, saved it. Dun, dun, dun. There we go. Sounds like ice. You can make the transfer. Nope. Let's try it again. There we go. There we go. Ah, couldn't pull out. Scratches, oh well. I'll take it. I'll take it. Uh-oh. Come on. Land, yeah, landed it. Oh, come on. That'd have been cooler if it didn't fall off. All right, back in action. That's not what you want. Come on. I'll land a backflip. I'll do it. Nope. I wasn't landing it. Maybe one day I'll get good at driving these things. It takes a beating. I like the regular Maxx. I tell you, this thing is fun. And it likes to be upside down a lot though. See? All right. Let's do a couple more. I'll wrap this video up. I think that's a good one to end it on. Alright guys, well, this thing was a ton of fun out there at the skate park, just a ton of fun in general. After I stopped recording a little bit, me, my dad, my daughter, we're all out there playing with RCs and this thing out there for 30 plus minutes, just taking an absolute beating and just taking it, not a single issue, just you know, scrapes, bumps and bruises all over the body. But you know, this thing just was a little tank. Does flip over relatively easy though. I do recommend some wheelie bars. This thing just wheelies back, flips over. Yeah, I'm very happy with this thing. It's fun. It's quick enough. I know there's a VXL system out there. I personally don't think it needs it. Maybe we'll get another one and upgrade it just to see. I know people are talking about diff issues. Stock power, nothing bad happened with this one. Jumping on a skate park all day, so yeah, no complaints. A lot of fun, really enjoyed it. Yeah, that'll be it for this one. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.